Imagine that you are walking in the market, and suddenly you feel pain in your legs or you feel pain in your feet. While lying down at night, you feel pain in your knees and you feel dizziness. People come to me and ask that have they become weak? Should I use a capsule of strength? If you feel that your body is losing strength and you feel pain in your nerves, then believe me, you are not alone. Thousands of people ask me the same question every day. Today I will not tell you a new medicine instead. Today I will tell you about 3 enemies in the kitchen who are silently eating your nerves raw. These are the real culprits. If you don't stop them, then no vitamin or capsule of strength will work. The first thing, and you may be sad to hear this, is white sugar and sweet. When you eat too much sweet, when blood sugar remains high for a long time, then it damages the nerves and these small blood vessels. These vessels carry oxygen and food to the nerves. Sugar damages the outer layer of your nerves, which we call myelin sheath. It's just like a plastic falling off an electric wire. What happens then? The current does not pass properly and you feel dizziness and pain. That's why you feel pain when you touch your nerves. You feel weakness. People say, I don't eat sweets. I only drink 3-4 cups of sweet tea. The sweetness of tea sugar and milk together becomes a lot of sugar. Instead of tea sugar, you can have cold drinks or packaged juices. You can use jaggery instead. But that is also not unlimited, because jaggery is also sugar. The second dangerous thing is white flour in processed food. We often eat white bread, biscuits, or parathas for breakfast. These things fill the stomach, but they have less protein, fiber, and necessary vitamins. When most of the food is based on these things, then eggs, lentils, vegetables, and yogurt are left behind, and these things reduce the B vitamins in your body and our nerves, i.e. the vitamin B12 and B complex of the liver. When you eat white flour, you have to spend more vitamins to digest it. So the vitamins that should be available are reduced and are mostly spent. The result? Exhaustion in the legs and laziness all the time. Tell me in the comments if your breakfast is home-cooked or tea, biscuits, parathas, etc. The solution is very simple. Instead of white flour, use lentils, chickpeas, eggs, yogurt, and vegetables. Reduce the use of wheat and rice and increase the use of vegetables. You can eat lentils and chickpeas together. Avoid white flour. Vitamin B12 is found in eggs, milk, yogurt, meat, and fish. Those who do not eat meat or have a problem with digestion, or do not have a good appetite may need this test. The third thing is frequently fried and highly oily processed food, vegetable oils. The oil in which we cook food has a lot of omega-6. This causes inflammation in the body. This inflammation causes pain in the sciatic nerve. So listen to me. Change your home oil. Use natural banaspati ghee for cooking or mustard oil. Cold-pressed healthy fats soften and strengthen your veins. The real problem is to heat the oil again and again. Eat deep-fried food daily and eat more calories so much so that weight increases and sugar also starts to deteriorate. What to do now? If this burning, itching is happening again and again, so get your fasting blood sugar and HbA1c tested, get vitamin B12 level and thyroid checked, then take 10 minutes of morning sun every day. Vitamin D is very important for nerves. Second, include roasted chickpeas and walnuts in your diet. Include these 2 things. These 2 things are no less than a gift for your nerves. And a special tip. Before going to bed every night, add a pinch of turmeric to a glass of lukewarm water, and add half a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Turmeric is a natural healer. It will end the fatigue and swelling of the veins all day. Walk a little every day wearing shoes. Because if you listen to your feet, something will stick so you won't know the pain, so be careful. Check your feet every day to see if there is any injury or wound. There are some signs that you don't have to ignore. Don't waste time. Go to the emergency room immediately. If there is sudden weakness, if one side of the face is crooked, if it is difficult to speak, if urine or potty control suddenly goes, or with back pain, if both legs become weak, so go to the emergency room immediately. Your health is first and foremost for me. These small changes can save you from big diseases. If you think this information can be useful for someone else, then share it with them. Take good care of yourself and your family. Bye.